Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to withdraw ERC20 Tether in the Trader Trust Broker. You click on the Funds section, and in this section you click on Withdraw Funds. In this part, you select the desired wallet and click on Tether. In this section, you select the desired payment detail, and if you wish, you can register another payment detail by clicking in this section. And finally, you click on Continue. In this section, you enter the desired amount, and note that if you haven't traded on this website before, the website charges a 5% commission for the first time. And finally, we click on Continue. You will see the withdrawal information and click on Continue. We enter the transaction history section. This withdrawal is under review. And as you can see, our withdrawal was successfully completed after 1 hour. Good luck.